In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Tag Manager to Webflow. If you want to track events, run pixels, or manage marketing tags without constantly touching your site's code, Google Tag Manager is the way to go. The quickest and most reliable method in Webflow is to use the official Google Site Tools app, which connects Google Analytics, Search Console, and Tag Manager directly to your project. Start by opening your Webflow project. From there, look for the option to explore apps and integrations. In the search field, type Google Site Tools for Webflow. If you don't see it right away, try variations like Google Site Tools, and make sure you're browsing the official Webflow apps listings. When you spot the card that says Get Insights from Google Analytics and Google Search Console directly in Webflow, open the full listing to see the details. On the app page, take a moment to skim the description so you know exactly what it connects and how it works with your Webflow site. It's designed to link your Google services without copying and pasting code snippets into your project settings. Next, switch to the Permissions tab. This is important. Here you can confirm what the app will access and approve only what's needed for your workflow. Understanding permissions up front helps prevent access issues later. When you're ready, click Install on Site. If you manage multiple sites, choose the correct project to ensure you connect the right one. After that, you'll be taken to a setup screen titled something like Connect Google Services to your Webflow site. This page bundles several Google integrations together so you can enable just the ones you want. Select Tag Manager. This tells the app you're specifically connecting your Tag Manager container. Now click Sign In to continue. A Google sign-in window will open so you can authenticate. Choose the Google account that owns your Tag Manager container and allow the requested access. If your organization uses workspace roles, make sure your account has permission to view and manage the container you plan to link. Once signed in, the app will guide you to pick the Tag Manager account and container associated with your site. Confirm your choices, and that's it. The connection is established. From this point on, your Webflow site is linked to Google Tag Manager through the app, so you can add and adjust tags from the Tag Manager interface without manual code embeds. It's cleaner, faster, and far less error-prone than copying